Hey, Danny Goki here, and I wanted to encourage you with this new song that I wrote, Only for a Moment. Some of you are walking through some intense battles. Some of you are in the midst of struggles that you don't know how to get out of, and you're struggling to keep the faith. You're struggling to hold on. You're asking questions. Does God love me? You know what the Bible says? And this is a good reminder to those. This is where I wrote the song from, 2 Corinthians 4:17 and 18. It says, this light and momentary troubles that we are walking through right now, listen, it's achieving an eternal glory, listen here, that far outweighs the pain that you're walking through right now. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. You know, when Jesus took the cross, he didn't focus on the cross and all the pain. He was focusing on you and I and obeying the Father and redeeming mankind with his blood. We have to have the eyes of God to see what he is doing. When it seems hard, when it seems rough, when you want to give up, understand this, that, listen, there's a greater glory that's going to outweigh what you're going through today. So keep the faith, keep holding on. Don't give up. It's only for a moment.